We are so pleased to announce our new product, and we are anxious to show you all its new features today. So keep watching.
Drink without colors is just like a life without friends and relatives. Various cocktail drinks can be presented beautifully with blue Curacao syrup. Hurry up! Click the link in the description given below to get a bottle of blue Curacao syrup at the home. Now you and your family can enjoy the real colors of life with organic blue colored drinks and enjoy its wonderful and unique taste. Blue Hawaii is another most popular drink with blue Curacao syrup and pineapple juice. Blue Curacao syrup. It makes color in our drinks from sky blue to royal blue. Your drinks become attractive and your friends love to enjoy parties with Blue Lagoon or Blue Hawaii with you. It is 100% halal. Different presentations for drinks and cocktails can be possible with various shaped glasses, where you can purchase blue Curacao syrup. No problem, it is available in Pakistan now. Just click the link in description given below, and you will get a fresh and organic blue Curacao syrup at your home. Blue Curacao syrup is a concentrated syrup. You need 2 to 3 tablespoons in a glass of drink. Replace traditional lemonade with blue lemonade made with blue Curacao syrup. It becomes boring to drink simple white soda. It has wonderful tangy orange flavor with lemon touch and displays an attractive layers of blue sky effect. Blue Lagoon is popular drink made with blue Curacao syrup and white soda.
I really hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching.